Basilica of San Pietro in Vincola, or St. Peter in Chains, is a Roman Catholic church in Rome, Italy, renowned for housing the relic of the chains that allegedly bound St. Peter when he was imprisoned in Jerusalem. The church was originally built in the 5th century under the patronage of Empress Eudoxia, wife of Emperor Valentinian III, to house these chains. The basilica is particularly famous for Michelangelo's statue of Moses, which is part of the tomb of Pope Julius II. The church's simple exterior contrasts with its richly decorated interior, which features notable artworks and frescoes. San Pietro in Vincola remains a significant religious site and a popular tourist attraction, offering insight into Rome's early Christian history and its artistic heritage.